Bonjour, bon dia, welcome and guten Tag. We are at the stand of an international company called Lignum Consulting. With me is Dieter Rezbach. Mr. Rezbach, please tell us what Lignum Consulting does.
We are the leading consulting company for the international woodworking and furniture industry. We have 3 offices, one in Kupferzell, Germany, one in Cary, North Carolina, and one in Brazil, São Bento do Sul. In total, we are 25 employees, consulting and dealing with the woodworking and furniture industry. And this is exclusively for the woodworking and furniture industry. Our employees have gone through an apprenticeship as carpenters. This means it's important to us that our staff have sound background knowledge. Then they've studied wood technology and usually completed postgraduate studies in business administration.
Industry 4.0 is one of this year's keywords. What is your understanding of it?
Yes, we've been dealing a lot with this topic and there are many buzzwords going around, 4.0, network production and so on. First of all, we've created a structure for us and developed 7 elements to support our clients, who are all very individual, and make their way to network production a successful one. It starts with the subject of strategy, which means a definition of the goals and the strategy to reach their goals. The second topic is the product. Other subjects are organization, technology, logistics and data integration. And last but not least, the person behind all of this, who creates, builds and further develops everything. These are the 7 elements we've created for it. One very important subject is data integration as well.
What is the role of data integration in 2015? Maybe Klaus Küniker could answer this question.
Yes, data integration in 2015 is definitely one of the central fields of work. The topic of data integration is found in many areas. People, machines and systems have to be connected to each other. Data and information build this connection and have to be provided in large quantities and in excellent quality. That is why it is such an important and exciting subject.
What are your experiences with this subject?
At Lignum, we started in the 1980s, when the first CNC technologies came onto the market. These were machines that had to be integrated through CAD and CAM systems. We dealt with other subjects that came up later in the field of just-in-time manufacturing, mass customization and so on. We've been quite strongly involved on the international level. In the US, in companies that started producing customizable furniture very early. We had to generate data there and gain many years of experience in projects with clients and companies from all over the world.
Georg Frey is responsible for the US market. Mr. Frey, what's the importance of Industry 4.0 for the US market?
Well, we think that the importance is growing. For example, labor costs or material costs are significantly changing, also in the US. And so are the efforts being made by the US government to bring more business to the country again. Therefore, these topics are of course very important. We've positioned our company in such a way that we can advise American clients, particularly with regard to this field. Because in contrast to Germany, production halls in the US often have a more craft-like structure, and we need to keep that in mind and not overload them with this topic. We need to accompany them along this path, so that they can derive maximum benefit from new systems like the ones that are presented here.
Mr. Frey, thank you for this information. Stephen Hecht is already a customer of Lignum Consulting.
Stephen, how does your company benefit from Lignum Consulting?
We find that working with Lignum has been a very positive experience for us. There's so many things that we want to change and improve in our company, and the time and the energy it takes to do it is something we simply cannot do alone. And by working with them, we're able to address our IT, production, flow, plant layout, and other related matters. And I think that going forward, we're going to gain a lot working with them, and we see a lot of positive results and look forward to working with them now and into the future.
Thank you very much.
And now I'm asking you, are you ready for network production? Because that is what the international team of Lignum Consulting offers.